Hey everyone, my name's Bethany. I'm going to do a demonstration of a screencast for you. I've decided that I'm going to feature a website for a band called Almost Easy. I'm biased because I play with this band and I sing with this band, but I also think that they have a really nice looking website. So I'm going to take you on a quick tour of their site. This is their home page. You can see Almost Easy Entertainment LLC at the top. We have all of our social media contents up here, so very easy for a user to find this, so they can follow the band on several social media platforms. As you scroll down, there's a nice big video that welcomes the viewers on the home page. I'm not going to play it because it is a cover song and I don't want to get into anything with licensing. So I'm going to leave that not clicked for now, but there is a nice video on the home page that shows up. Now as you scroll down, you can see that there is a big tab with upcoming events. I think it's a very simple feature, but it's a very important feature for a band to have, because obviously when different users or people want to visit the band's website, the most important thing usually is how can I contact them and what does their schedule look like. So we have that right here as you scroll down right on the home page here, and then you can see the schedule for October, month of October, and then it goes into November. It stops towards mid-November, and I know that obviously the schedule goes much past that, but the calendar updates as the days go by, which is nice. We have a few different banners here for different bars, clubs that we play at. Just to preface this, this actually is a wonderful singer named Anne Marie. This isn't me. I'm in some other pictures somewhere on the site, but she's this girl right here. So I just wanted to make that clear. And we're going to go back at the top here. Let's go to About Us. So there's a bunch of different tabs at the top. Really easy navigation, which I like. And there's an About Us section with more photos. Oh, there's my name right there. So I'm not lying. I am a part of the band. There's a nice write-up here. Services tab. Oh. We have our services tab here. And this basically shows that we play weddings and events, corporate and private events, and then nightclubs, bars, casinos. It's a nice thing for testimonials here. 2017 Couples Choice Award winner. So the website showcases some accolades and stuff like that, which is nice for people to see. There's actually a whole testimonials tab here with some reviews, and then reviews for some venues. Gallery. So there's a photo gallery, which is nice for people to look at, different band members. I joined the band after the fact, so this is actually me here. That's a different gig. So clearly I didn't make this photo shoot, but here I am. That's me. Videos. There's a bunch of different videos that you can click on to sample the music, contact information, and then an additional tab for an actual calendar to show the events scheduled, in addition to that homepage calendar. So that is it. That is my screencast, and I hope you enjoyed it. Check out Almost Easy. Check out Almost Easy. We play mostly in the New Jersey area, but all around the tri-state area. Check us out. Thanks.